Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So before moving to our video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join. This is where we post about the node links and GitHub links regarding the nodes, and also some Telegram bots and the airdrop links. All the links will be posted in the Telegram channel. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. I post about the node timings and the testnet guides related to that, as you can see. And this is our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon and tune into all, so you can get the instant notification about our videos, so you can set up the node and do the testnet task ASAP. So for this Chromium installation, you need at least 4 core and 4 GB RAM and the 10 GB of free space. So if the RAM is higher, you will have a seamless experience. So if the RAM is lower, you might get some lagness in the accessing your Chromium browser. So make sure you have a good RAM and the core processor also higher. So I recommend to buy VPS 1 or VPS 2. So VPS 2 you can run with any existing node. VPS 1 is alone good for this Chromium installation. Okay, let's see about the installation. So a lot of members prefer the one-click script. So I made a one-click script for this Chromium installation. So just copy and paste it, then press enter. So make sure you follow, and then after you follow, just type yes and then press enter. If you have Docker pre-installed, you can type no. If you are using a new VPS, you can type yes. I'm just going to not install the Docker because I already have it. So same for the Docker Compose, I'm going to type no. So for this step, it will ask for a username that you are going to access the Chromium browser on the normal Brave browser or by the VPS under the port value. So just give something. So just going to type console and give a password. So type a password. So it will be blindly. I made it for the security purpose. So just type the password and then enter. So our browser got installed. So you can check here, successfully completed, and the port value are these two, 3050 and 3051, and you can access by HTTP, that's / and the IP address followed by the port value. Let me show you how to access it. I'm just going to type my IP address and then I'm going to replace the port value 3050, just add HTTP, enter. So it will ask for the username and password that you set up during the process, right? Just give that username and the password. So just wait for some time. As you can see, so initially it will be shown in German. You are using Contabo. You bought the VPS in German region. Let's say. So for changing the language, just type something on the search bar. So after typing, just press here the setting symbol. So click here. So click here and choose English. Click best. So your language preference will be changed. So you can open a tab. So you need to open sign up accounts on all these websites. Like open this. So I already posted a tweet, right? If you guys opened an account earlier, so you can use an email or sign up with the Google. So I advise you to use an email, because we are going to log in the Chromium the email, so we can't log in the Google activate the single sign-on. That is not secure. The email address for all these accounts. Okay, not only the gradient, you can also use the email for document on internet, on the node, on protocol, pay. All you can use the email sign in. So you sign up. Just copy this link and click here, and then go to clipboard, paste it this, then go to the search bar and paste the copied link. So if you pasted without going to the clipboard, the text won't paste on the search bar. So just use clipboard then use the search bar. Okay, so then add it to Chrome, add extension, be added. So same like that, just copy this, click here, clipboard, then paste it this, close the clipboard, here, paste the link, press enter, then add it to Chrome. So I installed all the 4 extension by using the same process as you can see here. Okay, let me start with the Dawn validator. Click continue after clicking on the extension. So log in with your email ID and password. So I logged in for the Dawn internet. So you can see your rewards here. So as you can see, I have 61,000 points. So for next, I got into the NodePay login. Just use the same user ID and password. Log into the NodePay and do the same for all these nodes. So you have an idea, right? This is the same process that you do in the Chrome browser. So for the gradient node, click login. So it will open the login page. So login with the email and password. So for the gradient thing, please log into your VPS at least twice a week and turn off the extension for a couple of hours and then turn on, because gradient don't support the VPS. So you have to do this. Doesn't act as a Sibyl. Okay, just turn off for a couple of hours and then you can turn on. So just for twice a week, I think. So I logged into the gradient. As you can see, the points over here. So you can check on my notes, and I just now logged in with this account. So right now it is in the connected state. Click gradients entry node. So it will be connected automatically. Then uptime will be updated. So the next thing is the function network. So just click on the extensions. You will get the functor extension. Click on the functor node extension. So on the extension, I clicked dashboard. So I got into this page. So just click on email. So it will ask your email. So I'm just going to enter my email. So it asks for email and password. I just entered my email and password. So I got logged in. So that's for the functor node. And coming to the last, we got the new protocol. So after logged in, you will be asked to connect to the node. Just click connect to the node. So yeah, I will show just disconnecting the node. So after login, you will have this page. You connect node. So your node is being connected. So that's it for the extension node. So it will be running 24/7. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and follow me on X. Join our Telegram channel. All links are given, and the VPS option are given here. Then you buy the VPS. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in another video, and stay safe.